Guys, welcome back. Today we have a Troy built Bronco. I got this from a friend. I saw she posted on Facebook Marketplace, or actually on her own personal page. Said that she was giving away something else for free, and in the background this thing was sitting there with a free sign on it, and someone else actually posted there. They said, "Hey, is that lawnmower still available?" And she said, "Yeah." And then he talked about getting it, and I said, "Well, if you don't get it, let me know. I'll take it." So here it is. There's the deck for it. The deck's a little rusty, still solid, but all in all, she said the rear diff went out. So they were mowing one day and it just stopped moving. So I said, "Well, hey, tell you what, I'll come get it." That sounds like something I would be into, no matter what. It says here, model 13A077TG766. And that's nice. All the replacement parts there. This does have an... Oh, somebody's been in here. Squirrels. 18.5 horsepower, overhead valve, durable overhead valve. So the engine is pretty good. So I thought, hey, you know what? Let's go get it. Got gas in it, ready to go. So that's all I really knew. We just pushed it up on the trailer, and here we are. We got CVT, continuously variable transmission. That's like a hydrostat. Let's go ahead. Let's see if the lights work. Now, they probably don't work until you actually start it. So let's see here. What do we need to do? Slow, choke, and fast. Let's see if she'll start just on slow. Took a while, but I didn't even need to put it up on the choke. Fired right up. Pretty good looking battery, 1019. Serial number 2006. Alright. Well, my dad changed this up so that the seat wouldn't fall off. Man, I wish this thing was good. I'd be mowing. everything about her is good except for she's not moving. So hopefully it's the rear diff and we can fix it and see what we got. I don't know why it's not engaging. Well, anyway, that's our new lawnmower, and we'll look into it a little bit deeper and see what we got. All right, since we know this thing runs, let's see, this guy just lifts off. There's a bolt down there to take it off, and otherwise that's in good shape. Just set that aside. And I did see grease on the trailer when I unloaded it. So what does that tell us? It came out of somewhere. What is that and why is it open? What is that? Is that our rear differential? That's what they said. It was a broken rear differential. Okay, I don't think that's supposed to be open to the elements. Looks like that's where our grease came from. Looks like something blew apart in the rear. That could explain why this thing doesn't move. And I'm assuming these are just things hanging down for the deck. All right. Now, I guess that's our issue right there. I can get you guys closer. So what do we do with this thing? Yep, that's the grease that came out. So that looks like it blew the side off it. I think we definitely have an issue. Okay, well, there's a cable right here. My dad had a chance to look at this and he said, there's a hole in the transmission. I guess that's what we got. Yeah, I don't think that's a cover. That is part of the case. So it's a shame this thing runs so good. What do we do with this now? Part it out? Take it all apart, use the engine. I don't really use engines like this for anything. If you guys need parts, let me know. Other than moving, she seems to do everything right. I guess that's a problem. But all the wheels, tires look good, decent for a tractor. Got your cup holder. What do we do with this, guys? Should we tear it down, part out all the pieces, see what the value is in that? Sell it as is? Let me know, y'all. I guess we could get a rear differential or whatever that is. But obviously, with a giant hole in it, and without fixing it, she's not going to go anywhere. So let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one. Unfortunately, that's it. Like I said, this thing fires up like... Okay, keep this down. See if she'll do it again. Battery is low. We have to charge the battery. That's fair. Okay, anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. You heard it run. And that's really sad that we have that issue. So, anyway. Bought from Lowe's in 2006. And religiously worked until that issue. See you guys. Have a great one. We'll get into some other bike stuff. And if you're here still, I apologize for the sound on my last ride video. I guess I didn't have my mic plugged in correctly, and it was pulling sound from the GoPro instead of my microphone in my helmet. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios. Get out and ride. Fix your tractor.